I just found this UX failure that doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, because when you're on YouTube and you upload a preview for your videos, you go through the work of creating and editing something specific for this, right? Very specific, and you take the trouble of reading the documentation, and yeah, they give you some pointers, and this is the one that I was very like uh, careful about taking into consideration. Resolution, blah blah, aspect ratio 16:9, very specific. And so, to not mess things up, you do the things like they say you should. And I did. Look at this, right? When I went to college and I took lessons on media and TVs and etc., and I have worked in this professionally as well. So check this out. Like, I don't have, I'm not paying for Photoshop licenses, and I'm using just the Mac, and I make this file, and oh no, they didn't tell me they were going to cut the edges, and I had predicted this was going to happen, mm, but they didn't tell me, and now some parts are unreadable. So I'm going to have to make it again from scratch. Fortunately, I took notes on what fonts I used and stuff. Uh, well, to their credit, they do this very, very good when you customize your channel, and in this branding section, you add a banner image. Let's say I change the banner image, and let's say I use that one. Boom, this is awesome. This is fantastic. This is what I want to see in the other thing. They tell you, look, this is visible on devices, this is visible on the desktop, and this is visible on TV. I'm not sure now. Is it really gonna be visible? I hope so. Because I follow what they tell me to do. It's their platform. And it's very useful in many ways. And I love it. I hope this is a constructive critique. I hope this is useful for them. And so YouTube ends up being more useful for all of us. Thank you very much for watching. That's the end of this video. Have a nice day.